We're going to talk about color selection. And I know I did a live stream recently on it, and my opinion has completely changed for some reason. Don't know why. Anyhow, what's in color, you might ask? Why not just pick any random color? Well, in the examples I'm going to show you here in a bit, we're going to explain what's the consequences of having a darker color versus a light color on the outside of my rig. Ideally, I'd go green and purple, but that's not going to fly. Not really. But let's get into it. So my old bus was green and white. I thought, originally I had the green all the way up over past the cow part. It looked very good that way. However, it made it incredibly hot in the summertime in it. Great in the winter, but incredibly hot. The new design brought the white down considerably farther, which actually made it considerably a lot cooler. But despite it making it cooler, as you can see in the photos, it is actually still has a lot of heat in the sun. And I took these photos with my S60 flare camera phone. And I'll tell you, the shade actually is the coolest, the white's the second coolest, and then the green is the hottest. I want you guys to pause this image here. The 106 temperature on the left is actually in the shade, and that's the green in the shade. The 149 is actually the green in full sun, and the 109 is the top with the white. And this one you can actually see the temperature of the black tire there absorbing the sun, along with various other locations on the bus of the temperature around. Anyhow, the following photos are actually kind of rough visualization aid to help figure out what would look best on the ambulance with its converted. And I'm leaning towards the white on it, but originally I was going to go with a black and a tan and outlined the outline of it with dark colors and defining it. And I still may do that because I don't actually plan on putting insulation in a lot of the edge portions, and it's going to be made like a thermos, so I could actually put the black lines to highlight it or as an accent color on it. But I want you guys to look at all the color options and tell me what you like, and just leave it. This will be on a questionnaire with options of all the different ones to vote on, and just kind of pick your choice on it, and let me know or leave it in the comments below of which style or color pattern you guys like the most. And some of these with the lines on the side can be various different lines, but I just need a goal to aim for. I really like the purple for me, but I don't know if I can do the purple. I would like to do the purple, but I'm afraid it's going to make the cab way too hot or the rest of the rig way too hot. So we'll just decide or let you guys just check it out. And a lot of the colors are based on the actual Raptor liner color pattern. So it's colors I can get in that